Hi, welcome to Starlight Hardware. We specialize in building hardware products, including smart door locks and door hinges, and more. Our smart door locks are FCC and CE certified, trusted by global clients for safety and reliability. Starlight Hardware is a professional trading companies with a wide range of hardware products and strong supplier networks. Our main export markets include the United States, Canada, Australia, and Europe, and we have years of solid export experience. Our factory is located in Hongshan, Guangdong, covering over 10,000 square meters. It is ISO 9001 certified, ensuring consistent quality and professional production standards. Let's build something great together.